Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. For today, we're going to make sweet and sour chicken. This dish is good for 5 to 6 persons. The complete list of ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching. We can use any part of the chicken. We ran out of bell pepper, so we just used green finger pepper. Pour the water in the heated pot. Add the chicken. Let's wait for it to boil. Boil the chicken for 15 minutes. Basically, there are 3 steps to follow in making sweet and sour chicken. First, boil the chicken. Next, fry the chicken. And last, make the sweet and sour sauce. Add the salt. The salt will penetrate inside the chicken. The chicken is cooked after 15 minutes of boiling. Separate the chicken from the chicken stock. Next, fry the chicken. Pour the oil in the heated pan. Add the chicken and fry. Cook in medium heat. Fry both sides until it turns brown. The fried chicken is done. The next step is to make the sweet and sour sauce. Heat the pan. Then pour the oil. Sauté onion, garlic, ginger, and green finger pepper. Add the ketchup, vinegar, chicken stock, salt, sugar, and pepper. The amount of salt and sugar vary depending on your taste preference, so adjust accordingly. Simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the chicken. Coat the chicken. Simmer for another 5 minutes. There it is, sweet and sour chicken. Easy, simple, and delicious. Try it now! Happy eating! Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!